we are done. We are going to be powering up that Holley Sniper. So stick around and we'll see what happens. That's great. Great! So everything works, but for some reason this blue wire must have, which runs, sorry, back into here, must have a grounding fault. I cannot see any other way than a faulty unit. I cannot get any power to any part of it at all, which is really disappointing. Well, well, well. All right, we're gonna try this. I've just sort of dummy wired it back in, so, because I can't get it open, but. Alright, so great news about Holley. They're going to send me out a new clip. In the meantime, we're going to use some Loctite. That's going to just sort of mold around the whole thing just to try and get it to stay. Once we're comfortable with that, we'll actually start testing. Alright, so running through the list of things. Engine says it should say stall, but it says 0. I'm not sure if that's an issue yet. TPS undefined. So throttle position sensor undefined. So just gonna watch a quick video. Alright, so I'm not quite sure what was happening, but I just ran the wizard and set it up again. I'm now getting stall, and I'm now getting a TPS of 1%. We are ready. Alright, this is it. God help me. Alright, let's do it. So that's uneventful. Alright, I think I might have had a bad electrical connection, so I'll try to get it in. I've just fixed it. So the problem actually was that the distributor coil negative was wired to the positive side, just because the previous owner had a red cable coming off the negative and it confused me. Revs through the roof. Why did we get revs through the roof? No, it's no different. Oh yeah, look, the ISC's just dropped to 0. I had to push the car out because I thought I set it on fire. Turns out it was just a bit of smoke in WD-40. But look, we've got the car running. We've got a vacuum leak. That's the first thing. So tomorrow I'm going to go to Repco and buy a bunch of stuff, and then we'll try and get it running half decent. So see you tomorrow.
A few moments later.
What? What? It's idling. What? Oh mate, you're idling. This is sick. All right. We still have a ton to do. This is cool. Ready? Watch this. Listen to that sound. Alright, all I've got to do now is sort out a 12 volt system. I'm going to put a switch that is going to turn this on because I can't find voltage that stays on when I turn the key, which is what you need, not just like normal accessory voltage. I'm not going to show you how to do it, just a quick little relay I'm going to throw in and put a little switch in there tomorrow. And then, boy, we are going away this weekend. All right, this is the new setup. I've got this discreet little button here. I've pulled out one of the old choke cables and just push that. Boop. Holley fires up, and then we just